Good afternoon, my beautiful people. Happy Wednesday. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. And if you catch this video later on in your day, hashtag replay. I'm going to let a few people hop on here real quick before I get started. How's you guys' days going today? So, quite a few people. Hello, everyone. Okay. I see a few people. So let's get started. Guys, today I wanted to hop on here with a little short video about an awesome platform that I am a part of. We have a webinar tonight that we are holding at 7 Eastern time, where you can hear real testimony stories from people who have marketed online for 1+ years and may not have made a dime online. We also have people who are looking forward to jumping online, and they want to know how they can brand themselves, how they can get eyeballs to their opportunity. And with this brand new task-based platform, we crossed over $100,000 in 2 months just in revenue. That is awesome. So tonight, guys, I want to invite you to the webinar. I will leave the link down below in the comments where you guys can register at. And you can come and hear these testimonies from people who are earning quickly with this platform. They're going to tell you how they earn fast with this opportunity, faster than they did with any opportunity that they have been a part of. Hello, everyone. I can't see who's tuning in. It's not showing you guys' name. I see Mary. Hello, Mary. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Again, guys, this platform teaches you how to brand yourself, how to get eyeballs to any opportunity that you have available. And it also teaches you how to engage with your audience and how to attract the right audience. So I look forward to working with you guys. I look forward to seeing you guys at this Zoom tonight so you can see how our platform works and how it's helping people earn. I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday. And before I end this live, I want to leave a little bit of motivation with you guys. Always keep a positive mindset in whatever you do. A positive mindset can take you a long way with anything that you are trying to pursue. And also keep a positive mind and positive energy when motivating and inspiring others. Have a blessed and amazing Wednesday. See you guys at the webinar tonight.